Over-temperature protection is considered as one of the most important factors when it comes to safeguarding the electrical machines. Today, we are gonna hit one of the most common sensors in the process industry. Please, let me introduce PT100. PT100 falls into a group called RTD, or Resistance Temperature Detector, which means that PT100 is a variable resistor. Its resistance value changes whenever the temperature fluctuates. To understand what does the terminology of PT100 stands for, we are gonna divide it into two parts. PT, which is the chemical symbol for platinum, and this shows that the sensor is platinum based. 100 means that the resistance will equal to 100 ohms at 0 degrees Celsius. Manufacturers use the precious material platinum because it gives the greatest linearity and stability of any other material. Now, let's see how PT100 works when it's sandwiched inside the windings of a large motor or a generator. Here, the value of the resistance will start to change depending on the ambient temperature. Let's measure the resistance value now, and then look in the table or in the curve to find out the value of the winding temperature. So, for example, if the resistance is equal to 124 ohms, we can use this value to find out the temperature value, which will equal to approximately 62 degrees Celsius. Now, life becomes much easier. You can search for RTD calculator online to find out tons of websites which will help you calculating the temperature by entering the resistance value, or calculating the resistance by entering the temperature value. In practical world, we have three types of PT100 connections: 2-wire connection, 3-wire connection, and 4-wire connection. The 2-wire connection is only suitable for very low accuracy measurements because here measuring the resistance is equal to the sensor resistance plus wire resistance. The 3-wire connection is used to suppress the wire resistance from our calculations, and the 4-wire connection is more accurate than the 3-wire connection. So any normal process measurement should be done using 3 or 4-wire connections. Practically, an electronic device for monitoring the temperature is used. You have to choose the appropriate device for every PT100 connection. You can take deep dive in PT100 sensors by checking the resources down below. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and let the knowledge enlighten your world. See you next time.